Coming into land there is British Airways Airbus A320. 21-year-old aircraft came into service in November 2002. Registration is Golf-Echo Uniform Mike. London to Manchester service. 30 minutes, London to Manchester. 131 nautical miles apparently, so 30 minutes. Not bad, is it? It's not time for a brew, that. You know, you go on an aircraft, you come round with tea and coffee. You're not going to get tea and coffee served on an half-hour flight, are you, from Manchester to Heathrow? But there's a lot of flights coming in quite early today. And some of them have already landed before they've even got here, so you know, there must be something up with the Euros. Anyway, Airbus A320 Brie. Wonder if it'll stop or whether it'll carry on going.